We started in Stoughton, Saskatchewan in 1906 and have maintained a presence in southern Saskatchewan ever since. We have operating divisions all across North America and the Caribbean and Australia currently. We have approximately 4,400 employees with PCL in those locations, and about 160 full-time employees between the Regina and the Saskatoon offices. We've been working in various capacities on this ever since the discussion started about the replacement for Mosaic City, and the rubber really hit the road in terms of working with HKS and B+H in early 2013 in anticipation of the proposal and the qualification call. And so we've been working very closely with those and our engineering groups since that time to respond to the RFQ and then subsequently to the RFP call. Our people are very excited to be working on this project. What drives a lot of construction people is the ability to leave something tangible behind, and when it's something as iconic as a stadium, it's even better. Secondly, to be part of the Regina Revitalization Initiative and make this community an even better place to work and to live and to cheer on the favorite team is something that really drives our people to do their best. And lastly, this facility is going to be known for a lot of different events and hosting a lot of different types of functions, but most notably it's going to be the home of the Riders. And who wouldn't want to be part of building that? We've had opportunity to work on a number of different facilities, including recently the roof replacement at BC Place in Vancouver. We're currently building Rogers Place in Edmonton. We've built the MTS Centre in Winnipeg, the Air Canada Centre in Toronto, the Canadian Tire Centre, the home of the Ottawa Senators, and BMO Field in Toronto for the FC Toronto. It's going to be pretty incredible even from the outside looking in. We're going to start in June with the excavation, and because it is a sunken bowl design, the field of play is over 30 feet below where the current parking lot level is, and so that means a massive excavation to start with, and a hole big enough to hold the water from 110 or 12 Olympic-sized swimming pools, so a very big excavation. We will then obviously get working on the foundations, and to be able to construct the structure, we're going to need to put up 4 cranes, which is pretty significant in any skyline, and I'm not sure that it's been done in Regina before, but we will have a lot of cranes to be able to service all corners of that project site. So it's going to be a very interesting place to view from the outside. We're respectful of the fact that people still need to have access to the Brand Center and the Cooperators and Evraz Place for the fair and for hockey games and all types of events, and so we'll be working hard to maintain those access. We're users too, so we don't want to do anything that is going to unnecessarily impact the public and being able to get around the city. But it is going to be a very active and interesting project for sure.